Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with React Native Keychain for login sessions step by step clearly. To start using React Native Keychain for login sessions, first, ensure you have a React Native project set up. Install the React Native Keychain library by running the command npm install React Native Keychain. Next, link the library to your project if you're using a version of React Native below 0.60 by using the command React Native link. Now, import React Native Keychain in the file where you want to handle authentication. Begin by creating a login function that takes user credentials as parameters. In this function, use the React Native Keychain method called setGenericPassword to securely store the username and password. You can check if the storage was successful by wrapping the setGenericPassword call in a try-catch block. If successful, notify the user that the login was successful. Next, create a function to retrieve the stored credentials using the getGenericPassword method. Again, wrap this call in a try-catch block to handle any potential errors. If the credentials are retrieved successfully, you can log the user in without needing to enter their username and password again. To log out, create a function that calls resetGenericPassword. This will clear out the stored username and password. Ensure you handle any errors in each of these functions gracefully to improve user experience. Test your authentication flow by logging in, retrieving credentials, and logging out. Make sure to run your app on a physical device or emulator to fully test the authentication features with React Native Keychain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.